Valentine.
What color is the egg I see? It's about to crack, watch carefully. Pop, red paint flies everywhere. White sheep turns red from tail to hair. What color is this egg I see? It shakes and cracks so suddenly. Pop, blue paint splashes out. Now the sheep is blue, no doubt. What color's in the next surprise? It spins and pops before our eyes. Pop, bright yellow bursts with glee. Golden sheep laughs happily. Another egg, look fast, you guys. It shakes, then cracks before our eyes. Pop, green paint goes flying free. Green sheep jumps around with glee. What's the last egg's color say? It cracks and sparkles right away. Pop, purple shines so bright and clean. Now the sheep wears purple sheen. What's the last egg's color say? It cracks and sparkles right away. Pop, purple shines so bright and clean. Now the sheep wears purple sheen. What's the last egg's color say? Say! It cracks and sparkles right away. Purple shines so bright and clean. Now the sheep wears purple sheen. Now the sheep wears purple sheen. What's this egg here? What colors say? It's hiding something, guess and play.
Huh?
Let's tap it once, then once again. Pop! It's red, let's shout, hooray! This egg is round, it shakes a bit. It wiggles like it just won't sit. Let's clap 3 times, then take a peek. Pop! It's blue! Let's cheer and squeak. An egg is still, oh what a sight! Let's tickle it with fingers light. We bounce a little, stomp the floor. Pop! It's yellow, let's shout once more. Rolling egg from up the hill, tumbling down, it won't sit still. Let's sing a song and clap along. Pop! It's green, let's sing our song. This egg hides inside a box, next to toys and building blocks. We spin around, then touch the ground. Pop! It's purple, joy all around. Are red and blue and yellow too. Green and purple, orange for you. 6 magic eggs with colors bright. Let's find them all again
1, 2,
tonight.
3,